Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I to explain the update of economics syllabus of class 11th and 12th. CBSE has taken a decision to cut short 30% of syllabus of class 11th and 12th. Due to this pandemic situation, our school session is too late as we all know, and also there is no hope of being started of school soon. As per my opinion, CBSE has taken a very fair decision for the students. So, now, as per new amendment of economics syllabus, we will study further. So, let's discuss the deleted topic of economics of class 11th and 12th. See the part A, statics for economics unit third. It has been deleted, in which there is a three topic measurement of measures of dispersion, correlation, index number. In correlation, Spearman rank correlation has been deleted, and in index number, index of industrial production has been deleted. In measures of dispersion, if we talk about the measures of dispersion, so range, quartile division, mean division, and coefficient of range, coefficient of quartile division, coefficient of mean division, it has been deleted. And see the part B, introductory microeconomics, MI. Unit 4, introduction, concept of production, possibility for frontier, and the 6 unit, producers behavior and supply, 7 unit, forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple application. It has been deleted, so no worry about these chapters. Now your load is light. हल्का हो गया है. Now further, if we talk about the class 12th syllabus, so part A, introductory microeconomics, unit 2 has been deleted, money and banking. This is not so much important. अच्छा हुआ delete हो गया, money and banking. Unit 5th, balance of payment, deficit, meaning and determination of exchange rate in free market. It has been deleted. Whole the chapter money and banking and the balance of payment, it has been deleted now. It's a very good decision which CBSE has taken. Part B, Indian economic development, unit 7, current challenges facing Indian economy, growth of education sector in India, alternative farming, organic farming, infrastructure, energy. It has been deleted. Now your load is light. Be happy, stay safe, stay at home, and do hard work and steady heart. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you so much.